So here we're taking a look at a oil filter cutter. Now, this isn't the most essential tool in your toolbox, but if you're working around a lot of machinery, a lot of vehicles, farm equipment, even aviation, anything that can use an oil filter, you may want to have it around so that you can inspect whether you have engines that are operating in good condition. If you have any issues that you need to check out, checking the oil filter is a good first step, and it's actually an easy first step because you could have debris in the filter that's got trapped and will give you a good guess about engine wear and tear. So this way you could get ahead of potential serious problems down the road. So this is great for inspecting oil filters by cutting it open, and you can see what kind of debris have been trapped. It could give you clues about the engine's wear and tear, or if it suffered any damage, by seeing the amount of metal shavings, which could be signs of serious problems. So when you need this, it's better to have it than to not. So this comes with 4-inch vice jaw covers. They have a magnetic capability to stick to your vise. This way you get a solid hold when you put your oil filter in the vise for better cutting efficiency. So this tool is made out of high-grade aluminum. It's a pretty solid tool. It's 11 inches long. It has an anti-slip dial. This way it makes cutting the oil filter super easy. So this is a must-have tool in any serious or hardcore DIY mechanic. If you're working around ships, cars, farm, aviation, and tractor, anything that uses oil, you might be able to use this tool for most of it. So as you could see, I cut this oil filter in no time, and this is staying in my toolbox.